Rabia, Q&A was really highlighted during the pageant. No? Kasi ang daming mga rounds ng Q&A dun sa
Yes.
closed door interview. Napanood din namin yon. And it was such a nice way to get to know the candidates and to get to know you. Would you say na yung background mo as a lecturer helped you a lot during these moments where you had to answer so many questions?
I'd like to say yes because yung microphone, it's like my comfort zone every time I'm holding a mic.
Good. That's
And I
good.
feel, you know, I can extend my energy to my listeners. And sabi nga ni Sir Jerry dati, with other candidates, the problem is that wala silang energy. Sa akin, kailangan bawasan yung energy ko kasi every time I speak, para ako nagtuturo. Ito yung notes niya, parang ganyan. That was my struggle. But yes, it was a good training ground because at least hindi ako takot to the public, even for a fact na magkamali ako, my grammar is not perfect, my diction is not perfect. I know that my content is good, it's great, and I have the heart to speak to people. And the reason behind that, it's because I've been training in the field of education for 2 years.
That's so good. Kailangan natin ng mga candidates na ganyan. Guys, yung makikipag-agawan ng microphone. Kasi di ba, marami yung medyo kinakabahan or as much as possible, o sana wag sa akin mabigay yung tanong na yan or sana hindi ako yung tanungin, ganyan. Pero maganda yung quality na yan, Rabia, na gusto mong kunin yung microphone. That's so good. And I'm sure sa mga nanonood ngayon, they're so at ease hearing it from you that you're not afraid of the Q&A.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Pia.
All right. And one last question before we move on to a viewer Q&A and then a little game that we're going to play. What advice would you like to give girls or younger girls that look up to you? Actually, not even just younger girls. Like, I'm sure many women look up to you right now.
Yeah. The most important advice that I wish somebody told me back then was to love yourself, because each and every one of us has this weakness that makes us insecure, and that's completely okay. We need to embrace that vulnerable side that all of us have that makes us human. However, we also need to focus in the things that we are good at, like the things that we know other people would be inspired. And joining pageant is never easy. I won't sugarcoat that, but it's worthy, because once you have the crown, you will have that power, that voice, and everybody will listen to you. And if you only have the right heart, you can really bring a difference. So that's something that I want the young ladies or those aspiring women who want to join pageantry to know na you need to stick to your core. And once you love yourself, people can see that through you.
I love that.
Slow clap.
Kurunahan mo siya, Pia. Kurunahan mo.
Kurunahan mo.
Nababa ko ba siya sa inyo?
Yes, yes.
Sa baba ko ba siya sa inyo? Ayan. Iyan ka na namin. I-bless ka na namin. May all the luck. May all the stars align for you, Rabia. You are our bunso. Kasi sinerch ko to actually. Totoo. Siya yung pinakabata na Miss, siya din naman kasi yung pinaka-recent. Pero siya kasi yung pinakabata. Sabi ko, siya yung bunso. So, bunso, make us all proud.
Yeah. We're so excited.
I have no doubt. I'm so proud that we have a candidate like you. The way you speak, the message that you want to share to the people. I can't wait for you to show that in the international stage.
Thank you.